All right, yeah. Here's the PB Kids right here. We got the PB Kids, man, live and active right here, man. You know, you see Keyshawn, 540s. You see Kevon, 360s, and you see Deucey, 360s. You know what I'm saying? And they got some stuff to say to y'all, man, because they been seeing all the hate that y'all been, talking about. They are kids. They can read. You know what I'm saying? They can read. They been seeing what y'all been saying about them. You feel me? So they got something to say to y'all.
We're the PB Kids, and we see all those hate comments that you guys put on our channel. We're wavier than all those haters out there. The Wave King brushes our hair and don't put any kits in our hair.
Woo! What you talking about? What you talking about, man? Y'all be putting kits. They be putting kits in your hair. You know what I'm saying? That's how Sean feel about that. He like, man, they ain't putting no dang kits. It's all brushwork. Good job, bro. It's all brushwork. What you got to say about it, Kevon?
This goes out to all those trolls and haters out there.
Mm-hmm.
We see all those hate comments on our channel, and you're just jealous because we have better ways than y'all.
What? Gang. Talking about, man, this gang right here, man. PB gang, PB Kids, man. Kevon, he feel that way. I feel you, Kevon. You know what I'm saying? They be talking that stuff, and you just let them know what's happening. That's what's up. How you feel about it, Deucey?
Oh my God, say if I'm wavy.
Ooh, all you gotta say is you wavy? That's it. Gang, huh?
Gang.
Let's get it.
Gang.
I'm so wavy, yes I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy.
Yep, so show them how y'all spinning. You know what I'm saying? Just show them how y'all spinning, man. Take off them rags. Show them how y'all spinning. And it's only been how long?
A month.
1 month, starting today. Y'all got a haircut 4 weeks ago. Starting today, okay? So show them how y'all wavy. Okay, I see you. Oh, what?
Did it.
Oh yeah, what? In 1 month? That's ridiculous. Kevon with the dippers. Drippy on him. Got that drip on him, huh? I see you. All right. Okay. Now come up and spin around, Keyshawn. Come up one time and spin around for them. You know what I'm saying? Let them show them what you working with. Oh yeah, you working with that? Okay. Yeah. All right. Show them one time, Kevon. Show them.
Pizzeria.
Okay, and you close. Hold on. You closed that second crown? Did that second crown look closed? Yes, sir. We working. Let's get it. All brushwork. Come on. Deucey, get up. Show them what's happening, Deucey. Show them what's happening, Deucey. Yeah, show them what's happening, Deucey. And only 1 month. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Spin around. Spin around. Woo, look at that right side. Look at that crown coming in, huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that's what they got to say about it. Now I'm going to let y'all know how I feel about it. I ain't gonna let y'all know how I feel about it because y'all already know how I feel about it. You feel me? What I'm gonna do is basically show you guys what I've been doing to their hair to get them looking like this. And almost elite in 1 month. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to get your kids wavy, just watch me. Subscribe to the channel right now, and watch me. And we're gonna get y'all kids wavy for sure. We're gonna get the grown. We're gonna get the grown ones wavy too, because we motivating y'all. These kids motivating y'all. Y'all can't say they ain't motivating y'all, man.
Except the haters.
You feel me? And if what happened, if do great, what?
They're gonna hate. They're gonna hate.
Facts. Let's get it.
The fact of yeah.
What's good, PB gang? It's PB the GOAT, aka Rope God.
Rope God.
Yeah. And first off, man, I want to thank everybody who's showing support, love and support to my kids, the PB kids, you know what I'm saying? I've been putting a lot of work into their hair. You feel me? And it's been like a good journey. And I can't even say a journey like that yet because it's only been a month. So imagine the next month, imagine the third month, the fourth month, I'm gonna keep on, brushing their hair, you know what I'm saying? My goal is to get them more wavier than I am. But my goal is to make them a better waver than I ever was. You know what I'm saying? These are my kids. But anyways, man, I'm finna explain to you guys all the products that I've been using, everything I've been doing to get them to the progress where they're at right now. And it's been only 4 weeks. Yes, I said it again. It's been a month, all right? So y'all know, man, I washed the hair. You know, I got a video on this already, the washing style. I did wash and go as well, but the washing style is what I've really been doing lately. And I use this product right here. This is right here is the Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo. I use this right here. It's all natural, okay? And when I first started off getting their waves, I was using this product right here, Murray's hair grease, okay? It's a thick pomade. It's a great product to use as a beginner to get your ripples. You know, once you pass the ripple stage and you start getting wavy, I recommend that you use like a natural product so you can start working on hair health. You know, unless some progress take longer. You know, so everybody progression is different depending on your hair texture. You know, and with their hair texture, they got some pretty good hair texture. You know what I'm saying? Like they're not coarse hair wavers or nothing. Well, Keyshawn, he's mixed between coarse and medium hair texture. His hair. They all their hair automatically curls up. So that's why their progression is pretty fast, but you still gotta push that brush work in. I see a lot of them comments like, oh, it's just because they're mixed and their hair, they got good hair. That's parts of it, but at the end of the day, you still gotta brush your hair to get there, okay? And like I said before, it doesn't matter if you coarse hair. I'm a coarse hair waver, so y'all know how my shit could be, you feel me? So that's not an excuse. The brush would do it. Okay, this is the brush that I'm using. When I first started off, and I'm still using this right now because it's good for your crown, like the little peak part. I'm using what other one? What other brush at? The blue one. Yeah, it was right there. Anyways, let me see. Did it fall? I don't know. I can't find it. Anyways, yeah, it was a blue one too. Anyways, this right here is a Crown Quality Products brush. It is a curved brush. Okay. I use this one right here to wash the hair. This is the wash brush. Okay, and it is a medium brush. You know, I recommend if you have like coarse hair, then use a hard brush. All right, a hard brush, because what we doing is your hair is gonna be easier to move when it's wet. That's what make you progress fast. I wash the hair now every week, just once a week, because it's gonna help them progress. Because your hair is wet, and being that your hair is wet and has soap in it, it's gonna make your hair easy to move. And that's what we wanna use. So if you have like a more of a coarser, you know, tight curly hair, then I recommend that you use a harder brush. But I'm using this one. This is a medium brush. The other one, the 360 wave process brush, is just like this. It's the blue one I've been using. I'm just using that one. I've been using curved brushes on the hair. That's it. I haven't been using Diane's yet. I will eventually venture off to using level up to using a Diane brush. You feel me? Flat brushes. But for now, I'm just using curved brushes. It's good for this. It's great for like starting off the waves. You know. If you guys know my 720 waves, I started off with a curved brush too as well. The curved brushes will get your waves in faster if you didn't know. Okay, now with your connections, I'm gonna keep on trying to use these curved brushes and see what happens with their connections. I can't believe I can't find that brush. Anyways, so yeah, that. So next up now, you want to start combing to get your wave, to get the forks, to break the forks and get your waves pretty much connected. This comb will help. Just a rat tail comb, regular rat tail comb. It don't have to be an expensive one or nothing. It could be a cheap dollar comb. It doesn't matter. This will do it. Just comb your hair once a day. That's all I do is comb the hair once a day, and then I follow by the hard brush. You know, the brush. I haven't been using multiple brushes. I've just been using one brush. Eventually, when the hair gets longer, I will probably try to use a harder brush. But right now, it's maintaining well, so I don't really have to use no harder brush or nothing, because the brush that I'm using is hard enough and it's laying the hair down good. So comb, boom. All right. Also, you guys know I was using I used this one time, well actually a couple of times. This right here is a leave-in conditioner. You know, because you guys know when I do the washing style, I don't condition my hair to rinse it out. I wash my hair and that's it. And then after that, I use a leave-in conditioner. So I still condition my hair. I just don't rinse it out with after I wash. I use this one to leave in. And then after that, you know what I'm saying, I was using this, the kids Shea Moisture, the kids one. As of right now, I'm not using this. As of right now, I'm not using this. I'm using a moisturize and another moisturizer in a ceiling. We're gonna touch bases on that. I'm gonna show you guys that soon. I don't want to spoil the video that I got coming soon. Okay, it's another product. That's why they waves been. Products don't get you waves, but it will enhance your texture. It will enhance your waves and will give it a more of a pop, depending on what type of product it is. It will give it more shine, give it more hold, etc. And as you can see, they have great shine. You know what I'm saying? Their hair is crazy. Like the shines is going crazy. So also if it's harder for you to lay your hair down, I've been using this too. I use the plastic bag method or whatever. You know, you want to just go with the grain of the pattern that you desire. Just use the plastic bag method and it will work. Okay, it will lay your hair down more. Then throw the do-rag on. The do-rags I've been using is Silky do-rags, the Dream do-rags. I've been using the Kiss by Red, Red by Kiss do-rags. You know what I'm saying? Been using those, using these. You know, y'all know I got a million do-rags. I just pretty much using any silky do-rag. Any satin do-rag, it's better to lay the hair texture down. And it would, yeah, you'll see, you'll notice a difference. If you use I don't know what type of other, maybe like a cotton do-rag or something like that, and then you take it off, you will see the difference between using a cotton one and a satin one. It will lay your hair down more. Also, I'm using a stocking cap because they're in woofing stages. And if you guys didn't know, if you have more hair in your head, the more hair you have on your head, the harder it's gonna be to lay down. So when you put a do-rag on and you start seeing them little hairs sticking out your do-rag, that means that you need to put a compression on. So what you mean? I can't talk. You need more compression. All right, so I put this on top, which is a stocking cap, okay? And I also been using this. I just bought this one the other day. This right here is it's like a Titan cap. It's a Titan cap, you know what I'm saying? I put that on top because everything, other caps is pretty much too big for their head, so this one is pretty cool. This one still comes off too, I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of loose, and they got small heads, you know, they're kids, so yeah, you gotta try to find something that'll basically stay on their head to give them more compression to their waves because the hair is more longer, okay? So that's everything I'm doing right now, you know what I'm saying? I'll, after this video, well, after this right now, as a matter of fact, right now, I'm gonna show you guys their progress, each one. You know, I'm just gonna give like a turnaround each one so you guys can see exactly what I just said and see how their progress is actually looking since then. Because I showed you guys a minute ago, you know, it was all together. You know, I didn't really show them one by one. So let's get it right now. Actually, make sure you guys subscribe too. I love y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. We have a lot of more videos coming soon, right? We got a lot of stuff going on, right?
Yeah.
Take a thumb out your mouth. Why you suck your thumb? Don't suck your thumb on camera, okay? At all, okay? Okay? All right, so we got a lot of more videos coming soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you guys how I brush their hair. You know, I'm gonna show you guys how I put the do-rags on, how to put a do-rag on for your kids. I'm gonna keep updating you guys with progression, okay? That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm here for, to help. I already helped you guys how to get grown, man. Everybody waves. Now it's about the kids. Okay? It's about the kids. Okay? Let's get it.